Two fold, you have to fold the paper. First fold and two, another fold, two fold. Yes, parents can guide them.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Radhyani. Haircut. Yes,
Yes, yes.
very beautiful you are. Okay, come on, take a paper. Paper edunga paakalam. Take a paper and try to fold the paper. This is full paper what I have. Now I am folding it into half. Again I am folding it. So two fold you have to do. Parents can crease the paper and give it to them. Crease it and then give it to them. Open it and give it to them. Like that you will have, like this you will have the crease in that paper, no? Let them fold it in the crease.
সমান হয়েছে নাকি এটাকে আগান দুই হাতে করো
Very good, Keshav, with both the hands, Keshav, not with one hand. You cannot fold the paper with one hand. You have to use both the hands. Keshav's mom, crease it and give it to him.
ওকে ম্যাম
Yeah, it will be easy for them then.
ধরো
Do it, Radhyani, Ananya.
প্রেস করো প্রেস ইট দুই
Use
হাতে
both
করতে
of your hands.
এখন দেখো ম্যামকে ম্যামকে দেখো
One fold, another fold. See here. You would have seen your mama folding your clothes and all, right? Yes or no? Like that you have to do. Yes, very good. One more time, Keshav. One more time. Do it continuously, then only you will know how to fold the paper.
Not fold.
Let's go finish. Keshav finish. Mahalini, let me see how you are folding.
இன்னொரு ஃபோல்ட் பண்ணி காட்டுறியா?
Wow, Mahalini, good. Disha, folded, huh? Good. Very good. Well done. Perfectly done. Mahalini also good. Try. Another fold, Kana.
Mitra.
And another fold. Yes, ma.
Mitra, do
Yes,
your
ma'am.
activity, ma. You done?
What, ma'am?
Mitra.
Mitra. We have done two fold, children. Now the third fold, third one. Now it has become even more smaller, right? See here. From the beginning, ma'am is going to show you. See here, this is the full paper. Now I have folded it into half. Okay, and then I have three strips here like this. Then the second fold, I have folded it, and now I am going to fold the third one. Why Mylini's mom is disturbing? She's listening carefully, no? And then the third fold, very bad. Third fold, okay, children, come on, do it. Come on, Kana, do it, Mylini. Third fold. Vihan, good morning. Madhvanti, do it on your own, Madhvanti. Good morning. Ma, take a paper and try to fold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Mitra, fold it 3 times. Do it one more time. One more time you do it. Radhyani, do it one more time. Ananya also do it another time. Let me see. Very good, Hazel. Crease it, Hazel. Crease it like this. Otherwise it will open. When you crease it only, it will not open. Good, Ananya. Then Vihan. Parents, first you teach them how to fold. And then give it to them, they will do it. Mildly finish, Show me.
Sure. Got it.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Makesha. Good. Good children. All of you are able to fold. Very good. Taruneshwar. Very good, Visha Sai. Very good, Mahalini. Taruneshwar, where is your paper? Show me your paper. No, finish, ma'am. Only show your paper.
Very
How did you fold your paper? Very good, Marilini. You can mute yourself.
good.
Thanks, Kana. Very good, Mavihan. Taruneshwar, I want to see your paper. Yeah, good. Good, Ma Taruneshwar. Rudvin. Very good, Vihan. Very good, Hazel.
Thank you, Sudha.
How did you do it, Rudvin?
இங்க பாரு மிஸ் பாரு.
Others, please mute yourself. I'll call you one by one.
Something else will come.
Yeah, Radhi, very good, Ma Rudvin. Rudvin did it on his own, huh?
No ma'am, with my help ma'am.
Okay, fine. Another time, இன்னொரு வாட்டி பண்ணுங்க Rudvin. Do it another time. இன்னொரு வாட்டி பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Next is Madhuvanti. Mute yourself. Okay. Madhuvanti. Now only Madhuvanti is doing. Ananya. Show me a paper. Very good, Madhuvanti. Ananya, very good. Sara. Radhyani, good, Radhyani. Sara. Sara, did you fold the paper?
Yes, रुको बता.
नहीं. दिखाओ.
पेपर
दिखाओ, दिखाओ.
पेपर बताओ.
I'm not going to get it from you. You are hiding like this, huh? Sara, naughty girl. Come on, show me the paper.
The paper बताओ.
Paper
ऐसा
दिखाओ.
बताओ.
Let me see. Wow. Do it one more time. Let me see. How are you able to do it?
सारा और एक बार फोल्ड करो. फोल्ड.
Come on, एक बार fold करो. Come on, Sara. Fold करके दिखाओ.
नहीं. Could be eyes side fold करो. हाँ कर को बात करना.
Hey, folding like kerchief, ah. Very good, children. Well done. Well done. Very good. Thank you so much, children. Keep your materials down. Keep your paper down. Come on, we'll start the session. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Madhuvanti. Join your hands and close your eyes. Ananya, will you repeat after ma'am today? Ananya. Ananya.
Loud.
Join your hands, close your eyes. Kidzi anthem.
सुन.
Kidzi anthem. You are within me. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. Beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Good morning, children. Yeah, very good morning. Good morning, Rudvin. Good morning, Ananya. Very good morning to everyone. Don't sit down. Ready for the warm-up activity? Don't sit down. Stand up.
Madhuvanti, what are you doing, Madhuvanti? Come here, Madhuvanti. Come in front of the camera.
What's going on?
Yes, children, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back.
சொன்னாங்கன்னா நீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம்.
Ready? Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Keshav.
நேரம் பார்க்கணும்.
Very good, Keshav. Next. Very good, Radhyani. Next. Very good, Pa. Next. Very good, Rudwin. Very good, Sarah. Very good, Mananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. Absent. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahilini. Very good, Mahilini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Very good, Taruneshwar. Very good, Varsha.
சொல்லு. சரி.
Yeah, I am very good, Vihan. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, thank you so much, children. Okay, and now it's time for a rhyme session. Family rhyme. Yes? Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hug and give you kisses when we meet. Did you all learn the rhyme, children? Who knows the rhyme? Come on. Who knows? Can anyone sing this rhyme? Care for me too. Hmm. All through the day. Hmm. Hmm. Grandma, you're so sweet. Look here, Keshav. First, finish your rhyme. Finish your rhyme first. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hug and give you kisses when we meet. Very good. Thank you so much, Keshav. Anyone? Keshav has sung. Anyone? Others? No one knows. So why, children, you didn't learn this rhyme? Why? On Monday, I'll be asking this rhyme. Everyone should sing. Okay, Vihan, you know the rhyme? Vihan, Mitra.
ரைம்ஸ் தெரியுமான்னு
Vihan,
கேக்குறாங்க.
mummy, daddy, rhyme.
சொல்லு.
Mummy, daddy. Know the rhyme? Don't know, huh? Okay, one more time, ma'am is going to sing for you, and Monday I'm going to ask you.
Love me too.
Love me too.
Love me too. Love me.
Love me too.
Care for me too. Care for me too. Brothers. Sound of brothers.
Let's all play.
Sing a dance. Sing a dance. Laugh a fun. Sing a dance.
Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hug and give you kisses when we meet. Very good, Dashwan. You tried to sing the song. Very good. Mitra, will you sing?
Daddy, mommy.
I love you.
You love me too.
You love me too.
Care for me too.
Care for me too.
Mommy too.
Brother, sister.
Brother, sister.
Let's
all play.
sing and dance.
Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you hug and give you kisses when we meet. Okay, children, definitely Monday I'm going to ask everyone. Everyone should sing. Okay, if possible, I'll send you the audio also of this rhyme. Okay, thank you so much. Next, it's time for our alphabet identification time. Are you all ready? Yes? 1 minute. Yeah. What alphabet is this? Yes, anyone can answer. One. A. Very good. Capital A, small a. Only the alphabet. I don't want the phonic sound. No phonic sound today, no phonic rhyme. Afterwards, we'll have the phonic sound and phonic rhyme. Now, everyone mute yourself first. First, listen to me what I'm saying. Okay? I'll show you the card. first you have to identify the alphabet alone. And then I'll play you the rhymes. You can sing the phonic rhymes with action. Yes? Done? Okay, now identify the alphabet. What alphabet is this? A, capital A, small a. Very good. Capital B, small b. Okay? Okay, one by one I'll ask you. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Yeah, thank you, ma. Mute yourself. Next is Sri Ananya.
Capital C, small c.
Very good. Rudvin. Rudvin.
இது என்ன D சொல்லு
D. Very good. Capital D.
small d சரி சரி small d சொல்லு
Okay.
small d
Very good, ma. Rudvin. Next is Mahilini. Mahilini.
இந்த பார் என்னது சொல்லுங்க
இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க மகிழினி?
சொல்லுமா ரொம்ப சொல்ல
Capital F. Did I show F? Capital E. Mahilini. Small e. Very good, Kana. Next is Dashwan. Parents, please don't teach them. Let them identify. Capital G. Very good, Dashwan. Good boy, Dashwan. Next is Varsha.
Small h.
Very good, Varsha. Mitra.
Capital I, small I.
Very good, Mitra. Vihan.
சொல்லு
Capital J, small j. Very good. Visha. Visha. Capital K. Small k. Very good. Hazel. Hazel.
This is it. Yes.
Say
Mama Hazel, what is this?
F.
F. Say F.
Say F.
Capital F.
Capital F.
Small F.
Why are you blinking like that? I'm scared, Hazel. Don't blink like that.
He's very, very naughty man. What to do? Capital F, small F. Say. Close your mouth.
Okay, she knows this is F.
Yes, ma'am. She knows, ma'am. But she's
Okay,
not
if she knows means no issues. Okay, Hazel, don't scare me like that, okay? Then I'll take leave tomorrow. Then, after this, I'm going to ask Radhyani.
வாங்கினே கேட்டு
Radhyani. Nama?
Capital X,
H. Capital L.
capital L,
Capital L. Small L.
small L.
Small L. Very good, ma Radhyani. And next is, whom shall I ask? Keshav. Keshav.
B,
Hmm.
J, M, M.
Very good, Keshav. Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Capital N, small n. Parents, a small request. Let them think. I'll give them time. எவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்களோ எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம். But please don't tell them இதை என்னன்னு சொல்லு, இதை M சொல்லு. Don't say like that. Then they will not identify the alphabet. Then there is no use of conducting this activity. Okay? Thank you, parents. Next, Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya.
Capital, small.
Very good, Ananya. Next, whom shall I ask? Next, it's going to be Visha.
சொல்லு என்னது இது சொல்லு
Capital.
சொல்லு
Whatever it is you say.
சொல்லு
என்ன லெட்டர் மாதிரி இருக்கு இது?
நீ சொல்லு
Don't
யோசிச்சு
know. Think and say.
P மதிக்கு.
Very good. Like that only you should think and say. P மாதிரி இல்ல, P தான் அது. This is
P
P,
தான்.
capital P, small p. Very good, Visha. Thank you. Next is Kavi Kartika. Children, all of you should identify. Those who are not answering also, you should identify the alphabet, children. Kavi Kartika. Looking at mummy, அம்மா பார்த்து என்ன ஆன்சர் சொல்றாங்க அதான் சொல்லணுமா? நோ. Come on, what is this? Capital? Small q. Small q. Okay? Very good, ma. Kavi Kartika. Mitra? Mitra?
Capital R, small r.
Very good, Mitra. Varsha?
Capital S, small s.
Very good, Varsha. Sara?
Small s.
सारा ये क्या
D.
T. Very good. Capital T. Small t. Though you are very naughty, no? You are so sweet, Sara. High five. High five, Sara. She's identifying all the alphabets. I am noticing you. Very good, Sara. Next is Radhyani.
U.
Oh.
என்ன என்ன
Radhyani.
என்ன இவ்வளவு நேரம் சொன்னல சொல்லு உனக்கு நார்மலா சொல்லு
If you don't know, you say, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. Then ma'am is going to teach you. You know or you don't know? தெரியுமா தெரியாதா ரத்யானி? தெரியாதுங்களா? This is U. Capital U, small u. Come on, repeat. Capital U, small u. Mahilini, next is Mahilini. Very good, ma. Small u. Mahilini.
வாட் இஸ் தட்? அங்க பாரு. அது அது என்ன?
W.
W.
W வா? W, is it W?
இது என்ன? வாட் சொல்லு.
Y.
Y.
Capital Y. Busy, very busy in playing with that knot. Capital V.
ரிப்பீட் பண்ணு.
Capital V.
சொல்றேன்.
Look here. Capital V. Okay, சொல்லிட்டு விளையாடுங்க. மகிழினி, சொல்லிட்டு விளையாடுங்க. Capital V.
சொல்லு.
Capital A.
ஏ
V. Wantedly you are doing, I can see. Capital V, small v. V for vanilla, ma'am. That V. You should remember, okay? Thank you, Mailini. Next, Vihan. Vihan. Others should identify. Look at the screen and identify. Kavi Kartika. If you are not unmuting yourself also, you should identify other alphabets also.
W.
Very good, Vihan. Next is Keshav. Keshav. Keshav.
Capital X. Capital
Small.
X.
Small x. Small x. Very good, Makeshav. Madhuvanti. 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 Madhuvanti is not there. Adashwan.
Capital Y.
Very good. Capital Y. Small y. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Stay, Madhuvanti. This one.
இது என்னன்னு சொல்லு
Z.
Capital Z.
Small Z.
Why don't you say capital Z?
ఏది క్యాపిటల్ Z கேக்குறாங்க ఏది
What is this? Which is capital Z? This one or this one?
ఏది ఫస్ట్
Capital Z, small z. Very good. Now ready for the phonics, children? All of you should do the action definitely, okay?
Byju's app makes learning easy for my child. Every child needs it. Learning made interactive and engaging with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the bar to play.
B. Okay? Capital C, small c.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Capital D, small d.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is not so fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Capital E, small e.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this,
Capital F, small f.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the egg came out.
Capital G, small g.
Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Gurgle.
Capital H, small h.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
I.
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's little pink little pet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
J. Capital J, small j.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jam, 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 jam.
K. Capital K, small k.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
L.
We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 oh. We lick our lollipops.
M. Capital M, small m.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
N. Capital N, small n.
Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise.
O. Capital O, small o.
the rat when he pulls so hard.
S.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
T. Capital T, small t.
When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Capital U, small u.
Umbrellas, 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 when it starts to rain.
V. Capital V, small v.
Try big span round the village, try big span round the village, try big span round the village.
W.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong.
Capital X, small x.
Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray on my hand.
Y.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup.
Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this?
It's very good. All of you have done the action. Very good, children. Now all of you take your materials, which are sensory time materials. We are going to do the sensory time. What do you mean by sensory time? You are going to touch and feel the materials. Okay, that is called sensory time. You are going to touch with your hand, feel how it is. Okay, come on, bring your materials, all of you. Ready? Take it in a tray or bowl or plate, whatever you have. Bring it. Ready? Yeah? Okay. First, ma'am is going to show you all the materials. Then you can show it to me one by one. Okay, children? First, ma'am is going to show you paper. You know what is paper? You have worksheet paper and all. And then, yeah, mute yourself, children. One by one, you will get the chance. Mute yourself. First, I'll explain it to you. Okay? Paper. Okay? You use it for writing, drawing, coloring and also paper. And the next material I have is cotton. Cotton. For what we'll use cotton? When you get injured, you'll use cotton to clean your wound. And then some of the dresses are also made out of cotton. Okay, and this is cotton. And wood. This is wood. Wood we get from trees. Have you seen trees? So all these type of wood materials like this, ice cream sticks, this board, everything we get from wood. You will have a door in your home, right? You all have a door in your home, yes or no? That door is also made out of wood, doors, windows and all. So we make it out of wood, that is wood material. And then plastic. I have two plastic materials here. One is the water bottle and the other one is straw. Can you see, children? This is straw made out of plastic. But plastic is not good for health. Should not use plastics also. Okay? And then another thing I have a crayon. Here I have a crayon. Crayon, what for you will use this crayon? Use it for coloring and it is made out of wax. Okay, children, this is crayon. And then stone. This is stone. Okay, stone. You should not play with stones. It may hurt you. So for your sensory time only, I told you to bring stone. Okay, stone. And then I have a woolen thread, but I didn't mention it in the group. But this I have just brought it to show it to you. Woolen. This is woolen thread. Children, you will have sweaters in your home, right? All those sweaters are all made out of woolen thread. Woolen thread. Wool. Okay, children, this is woolen. That's it. Metal. Metal like silver, copper, all those includes under metal. So this is a metal object. I told you to bring spoon, but I have brought a scissor. That is also made out of metal only. Okay, children. Now come on, all of you bring your materials. Let me see. I'll tell you one by one. You have to take it out and show it to ma'am. But don't unmute yourself. Okay? I'll call you one by one. Let me see what material you are showing. Okay? Yeah, first is Varsha. Can you show me paper?
Paper.
Paper. You yourself should take. You should not ask help from mama. Okay? Paper. Cotton. Cotton. Do you have cotton? Very good. Wood material. Anything you have? Wood material. Wood. The duster we use for rubbing the slate also it's given in the kit, no? That is also wood. Okay, children, very good, Varsha. Thank you. Next is Sri Ananya. Thank you, sir, Varsha. Ananya,
Listen.
show me any plastic material.
Plastic.
Plastic material. Plastic. Very good. Plastic. And then metal, silver. Silver,
Metal.
made out of silver. Metal. Spoon is a metal, okay? Yeah, it is a metal object, okay? And then can you please show me wood material? Wood.
Wood. Duster.
Wood. Duster is made out of wood. Very good. Thank you, Ananya. Next is Keshav. Thank you, Ananya. Keshav, can you show me plastic? Plastic दिखाओ.
Okay.
Plastic material.
मैडम को देखो प्लास्टिक मटेरियल.
Plastic material.
मम्मा.
Stone. Plastic. Stone. Slowly handle it slowly, Makesha. Stone. Okay, children. I think many of you have confusion in this. One by one, I am going to show, and you are also going to show, children. Okay, mute yourself. Thank you, Keshav. First, paper. All of you take the paper material in your hand. Paper. Only paper. All of you take your paper material. Very good, Sarah. Mahirini, take your paper material. Hazel, paper. Dashwan, yeah, paper. Keep it aside. Now, next is cotton. Take cotton. This is cotton. Take your cotton and show me, all of you. Cotton. Look here and take cotton. This is cotton. All of you take cotton and show me. Cotton. Keshav, where is cotton? Keshav, cotton. Okay. Next material, keep it aside, children. Whatever we have finished, you keep it aside, okay? And next is wood. Wood. You have a duster, no? That duster is made out of wood. I have this board, tracing board. It is made out of wood. Show me your wood material, everyone. Keshav, why don't you look at the screen and pick it up, Keshav? Wood. Duster you have made out of wood. No. Yeah, that one only wood. That's the thing, Keshav. Correct, only you took wood. The next material is Stone. 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 See how hard it is. Stone. Can you press the stone? How hard it is, right? Stone. Yeah, good. Next is plastic. Any plastic material. Plastic. Plastic cup. Cover. Whatever you have, you can show. Plastic. Plastic water bottle also, if you have, you can show. Plastic. Yeah, good. Next is crayon. 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 Very good. Good children. Crayon over. Next is your metal. That is, you have a spoon, right? That is metal. Metal. Yeah, that is metal. Very good children. Now I want you to take cotton in one hand and stone in other hand. All of you take cotton in one hand and stone in other hand. Now tell me which is hard and which is soft. Soft means when you press it, you can press like this. You can feel it. But hard means, see, you can't even press it. It's very hard. Which is hard? Rock is, stone is very hard, but the cotton is very soft. See how soft it is. All your toys and all you will use. Inside the toys, cotton will be there. So only it is very soft. Okay, children. So this is soft and this is hard. Hard na rumba adutave mudiyala, very hard. This is very soft to handle. See how nice it is to press. But this is not at all nice to press, right? So this is hard and this is soft. Okay? Come on, all of you do it. Yes. Mitra, which is hard and which is soft? Very good, Taruneshwar. Good. Thank you, ma. Mitra, which is hard and which is soft?
Hard. Hard.
Soft? Soft. Very good. Hard. Very good. Thank you, ma. Mahini, which is hard and which is soft?
Which is hard?
Very good. Soft? Soft. Soft. Very good, Kanna. Thank you. Sara? Sara? Which is hard and which is soft?
Kosama soft.
Which is soft and which is hard?
Acha soft kosa. Cotton soft. Okay.
Hard. Very good, Sara. Thank you so much. Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya. Which is hard? Hard. 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 Which is hard? Stone. Very good. Which is soft? Soft. Soft. Very good, Ananya. Visha Sai. Thank you, ma. Visha. Visha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which is hard and which is soft?
It is hard.
Hard na அழுத்தவே முடியாது. That is hard. அழுத்தவே முடியல. That is hard. Okay. Which is soft?
இது சாஃப்ட்டா இருக்கு.
Soft.
ஓபன் பண்ணி காட்டு கைய.
Very good. Thank you, Mavisha. Next is Kavi Karthika. Kavi Karthika. Which is hard and which is soft, Kavi Karthika? Kavi Karthika. Okay, Dashwan Velan.
Cotton is very soft, sir.
Very soft.
Soft.
Which is soft? Which is soft?
Cotton.
Which is soft? Cotton is soft. Okay, which is hard?
Stone is. Ma'am, pachal.
Show me which is hard.
Stone is.
Look at ma'am Dashwan. Which is hard, Dashwan?
Stone is.
Very hard.
Very soft.
Very good, Dashwan. Okay, next is Vihan. Yeah, okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Darshan. Vihan. 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 Which is soft?
It is softer.
Which is soft?
Soldier. What is that?
What is that?
10.
Cotton. Okay, which is hard? Very good. Which is hard? Very hard. I can't even press this.
Mantle என்ன
Which is hard?
என்னது good.
Stone is very hard. Very good, ma. Next is Madhuvanti. 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 Okay. Radhyarni. Radhyarni.
Yes, ma'am, சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is hard and which is soft, ma? எது சாஃப்டா இருக்கு எது ஹார்டா இருக்கு show me.
எது சாஃப்டா இருக்கு?
It's soft.
Very good. Which is hard?
Hard
எது ஹார்டா இருக்கு? What is that? Good, Kanna. Very good. Thank you so much. Hazel. Hazel. Yeah, right. Hazel.
Hazel.
Soft, ma. Hazel. Which is soft?
Which is soft?
Hazel, which is soft? Okay, you show it to your mama. You need not show to me also. Mummy ki solunga. Which is hard and which is soft?
Ma'am, she wants to go to restroom. It seems.
Okay, go and come back. Okay, and then who else I left out? Anyone? Rudvin. 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 Which is hard, ma Rudvin? இது hard. எது ஹார்டா இருக்கு?
இங்க பாரு ஸ்டோன் சொல்லு.
Stone. எது சாஃப்டா இருக்கு? Which is soft?
இங்க பாரு காட்டன்.
Cotton. Very good. Very good, Marudvi. Thank you so much, children. Now I want you to take your phonics book. Fatafat, come on, we'll do this activity and finish the session. Take it, come on. Take the phonics book and page number is 11. And today we are going to circle only capital G, no small g. Only capital G, wherever you see capital G, I'll show you. That alone you have to circle, children. Okay? No need to circle small g. See here. Only this G you are going to circle. This you no need to circle. This G alone you circle. Capital G alone you circle. Okay? No need to circle small g. See where you have capital G and circle. Only capital G. Radhyarni, only capital G you have to circle. Capital G மட்டும் circle பண்ணு. Okay? Don't circle small g. No need to circle small g. Capital G மட்டும் circle பண்ணுங்க. Mitra.
Ma'am, in which page, no?
Page number 11.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yesterday we did this, no? Yes. After this, you
Yes,
have.
yeah.
Oh, this page. 11, page number 11. Any doubts? Mitra?
Ma'am, Mitra went to washroom. She'll be back.
Yeah.
I'll ask her to mark only capital G.
Isha? Isha? Sri Ananya? Sri Ananya? Very good, Dashwan. Only capital G circle, da. Very good, Dashwan. Well done. Very good. Only capital G alone. Small g, vanda. No need to circle small g. Only capital G. Check one by one. Check line by line. Very good, Keshav. Very good, Dashwan. Wow, Keshav. Very good. Good boy. Welcome, ma. Vihan, finished, huh? Finish, Vihan. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Only capital G. Very good. Very good, Visha. Good girl, Visha. Very good, Taruneshwar. Very good. Madhuvanti, did you finish? Mitra,
Finished, ma'am, sir.
Mahilini,
அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிச்சு சொல்லு.
good. வேற
Radhyani, good, I saw. Good, Radhyani. Mahilini is still circling, ah? Only
Ma'am,
capital G, no? You can't
இல்ல,
find, ah?
இப்பதான் பென்சில் கிடைச்சது மேடம். ஓகே
Okay, okay, no problem.
ஓகே வேற எத்தனை
Good. Madhuvanti,
கேபிட்டல் ஜி
Kavi Kartika finish. Good girl, Kavi Kartika. Madhuvanti,
ஃபினிஷ்டா டூ தானா எங்க
only capital G, you have only around.
டூ தான்டா ஓகே
Already finished means you have to say no, Madhuvanti. Then no star for Madhuvanti today. No problem. I don't know.
ஃபினிஷ்டா
You have to show no. I am keeping on calling you Madhuvanti, Madhuvanti, Madhuvanti.
சொல்லுங்க
Come here, Madhuvanti. Come here. Yeah, thank you, ma. Very good, ma. Malini. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
சொல்லிட்டு வாங்க. நான் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு சொல்லுங்க. அந்த பண்ணிருக்கீங்க பாருங்க. அத சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. Okay, children. Hope everyone have finished. Sarah finish. Sarah finish.
yes ma'am बोलो.
Sarah.
बताओ.
Finish. Very good girl. Well done. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone. Bye, Tara. Bye, Keshav. Bye, Tisha. Yeah, bye, Vihan. Bye, Dashwan. Bye, Tarneshwar. Bye, Hazel. Bye, Mitra. Bye.